In a significant development towards implementing a uniform civil code UCC, the Assam government has announced its decision to revoke the personal law governing marriages and divorces among Muslims. The UCC aims to establish a uniform set of laws applicable to all Indian citizens, irrespective of their religious affiliations, particularly in matters concerning marriage, divorce, inheritance, and adoption. Following Uttarakhand's recent enactment of a UCC law, Assam has been indicating its intention to follow suit. There are speculations that the Himanta Biswa Sarma government might introduce a UCC bill during the ongoing budget session, which concludes on February 28th. As Assam takes decisive step towards implementing a uniform civil code, the implications and reactions surrounding this development are being closely watched. Assam Minister Jayanta Malla Barua announced on Friday that the cabinet has taken the first step by deciding to repeal the Muslim Marriage and Divorce Registration Act. Barua stated that the government aims to consolidate all matters related to marriage and divorce under the Special Marriage Act. This decision marks a significant shift towards uniformity in personal laws across religious communities in Assam. Here's what will change after the law is repealed. Assam Chief Minister Mr. Sarma highlighted that the existing law permits voluntary registration of marriages and divorces among Muslims without mandating registration. He expressed concerns over the informal nature of the registration process, suggesting potential non-compliance and existing norms due to the lack of formal oversight. Once the law is repealed, Muslim registrars possessing licenses to officiate marriages and divorces within the community will lose their authority to perform registrations. Assam Minister Mr. Barua announced that the 94 Muslim registrars currently operating under the law will receive a one-time compensation of Rs 2 lakhs, each in acknowledgement of their service. Following the repeal of the law, district commissioners and district registrars will assume custody of registration records as stated by Mr. Sarma. Registrations will now be conducted under the supervision and control of the Assam Inspector General of Registration, a departure from the current practice where the 94 Muslim marriage registrars serve as custodians of these records. Mr. Sarma emphasized that the existing law permits marriages to be registered even if the bride and groom are below the legal ages of 18 and 21 respectively. Scrapping this law will represent a substantial stride in preventing child marriages in Assam, signaling a commitment to safeguarding the rights and well-being of minors in the state.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.